Sanok. Bye, 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 bye. Oh, crazy, man, crazy. Happy. G'day viewers, Pedro Thai. Well, I've got a bit of a treat for you today. I'm up in a place called Cha Am, which is kind of north of Hua Hin and south of Bangkok. Just left Hua Hin today after about a week down there. You would have seen the video. Anyway, we're up here now, and this is the house I've rented on Airbnb. So I'm here for about a week, could be 2 weeks. Anyway, it's cost me about just about $750, $760 for the whole week. Okay, so that's just over $100 a night. And all the family's coming down tomorrow. I've got the wife coming down. I've got all the in-laws from Thailand, from Nakhon Sawan. Everyone's coming down for a week, at least a week, and we're just going to party up. So let's have a look at this house. It's a ripper. It's a bloody ripper. Anyway, it's really quiet. There's heaps of different, well, they're all the kind of same, you know, hotel rooms or condos, you want to call them condos, but there's no one here. I was talking to the security guy. He reckons there's about 3 families here. That's about it. So it's really quiet and there's no one around. Anyway, let's go in. So this is it, lad. This is the living area. It's open living. So this is the kitchen. Big fridge. It's got a... First thing my wife asked me is whether there's a rice cooker, and there is. Yeah, cooker. So it's got all the mod cons. Microwave over there. Bit of a dining area there. Got me little Pedro Thai editing system up happening. Just got to fix the Wi-Fi. Anyway, this is the lounge area. Nice, isn't it? Bathroom, shower, downstairs, air con. But have a look at this one. Have a look at this one. So like I said, there's no one here, right? So this is just nearly all ours. So we've got this outside entertaining area here. All right? And it goes around here as well. You know, we can be sitting there. I can see myself sitting there in a couple of beers and speaking a bit of Thai and listening to a bit of bloody music in the evenings. Anyway, look at this, viewers. We've got the whole pool to ourselves. We've got the whole bloody thing. Have a look at that. Happy days. There's just no one staying here. Except for us. There's pools all out. There's another pool there and there's a pool further up. And if you can see it up there, there's a beach up there as well. We'll have a look at that later. One thing at a time. I just got here, so one of the shows around. So now check the pool out. It's a pisser. It's a ripper. Well, it looks like another bloody sunset. You get spoiled over here with sunsets, and there's another one on the horizon. Anyway, just left the hotel. Don't know where I'm going. Going to check out, see where I am. Maybe get a restaurant, maybe a beer. It's looking pretty cool, looking pretty quiet, which is good. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Have a look at that one, viewers, on the bridge. That looks amazing. So it's in the middle of nowhere. I've just come across this restaurant here. Got guys playing a guitar, and they've got a restaurant. Just order a beer. That's what it's all about. It's just happy days. So I got lost, and I'll probably get lost going home when it's dark. So but fucking who cares? Happy days. I've got the old favourite. The old favourite. Rice. Chili. Happy days. And this guy plays every night. I'll be bringing the missus here tomorrow. We'll be all coming here tomorrow. Just down the road from where I'm staying now. I reckon this is the place. I'm telling you. I've only been here one day, but I reckon this might be the joint. It's really good. It's really hot. It's like Thai style. Boy, that's hot. That's the best. It's kind of cools down a bit. We got another one. And the other one I got was chicken cashew nut. Look at the chilies on top of the cashew nut, man. And the Thai blokes playing the Carabao. Oh, excuse me, I've got hiccups there. So the food here has been superb. Like, it's really hot, really Thai. I can tell, just personally, it's really good, man. I've had the chicken cashew nut was fucking superb. It was hot as fuck, but it was really good. And the lap moo is just, it's bang on. It's bang on, like Nick Dean would say. He doesn't say that anymore, but he used to say it was it's bang on. But and they've got music going as well. Right, this is only like a Thursday night, by the way. And I've got the Hong Tong. Done the Hong Tong, and they've kept it in the fridge. It's nice and cold. So I have a couple of them. Kind of beard out. Have a couple of Hong Tongs. Finish the food. Listen to the music, and then try and find my way home in the dark. That's what it's all about, isn't it? I'm still here, viewers. This is just like a random restaurant in the middle of nowhere, and this guy's playing a guitar. It's like Carabao. I think Carabao, they're like a famous Thai rock band. He's good though. He's bloody good, mates. And they put lom, you know, the fan. They look after you. I've had the hottest food. I'm still drinking the Hong Tong. There's ants everywhere. And there's my bike there. It couldn't be any better. This is what I'm all about, viewers. Pedro Thai. This is me. This is me in my element. Happy days. I'm still here, viewers. I think I gotta drive home. You know what I mean? It's been good though. Nothing, mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads, take me home now. Wow, country roads. I mean, everyone loves country roads. Come on. Country roads. Come on now, sing it, come on. Country roads. Woo!
ไอ้ลูกขึ้นไกลๆเนี่ยสาวตัวใหญ่แล้วลูกเก่งมาก
So we just had the big feed, viewers. I should have shown it when we first came out, but I didn't, because I've been lazy. Anyway, we're down in Charm on the beach, having a bit of a seafood lunch, as the Thais do. It's a bit of a Thai thing, and it's just all down the beach. Like, as far as the eye can see, there's just like chairs, and you can get food, drinks, the whole lot. Very Thai influenced. A few Falangs around, not many. Unlike down the road in Hua Hin. And she's doing a banana pancake, the old favourite. Banana pancake. I think they just do the banana, I think. Yeah. Not doing the Nutella. Oh no, it's got a few here, look, here we go. It's got the crispy roll, the chocolate one, the Milo, Ovaltine, egg, jam, banana chocolate, banana Milo, egg banana, egg cheese, egg banana cheese. Woo! Samsip Harbart. It's pretty cheap. Cheap. Up off. Looks pretty damn good. I'm full as though. I ate so many prawns. I reckon I had about 6 or 7 big king prawns. Rice. The whole lot. The whole diggity dog. Well, it's hot diggity dog. And we're in a national park called Ketchin Krachan. What's the name? Geng Krachan, it's called. It's in the Phetchaburi province. Anyway, there's a massive river here, massive like a weir or lake, and we're just on one of these suspension bridges, which is pretty big. So this looks pretty cool, viewers. We've got the pool up there, you can lay down. We've got the river, it's not as strong. They call it Lang, Nam Lang, which is strong Lang. But it's not too bad here because we've got a couple of young kids, so looking pretty cool. Well, here we go again. Here we go again, and it's looking really pet, which means hot, hot, hot. But that all the Thais couldn't. Oh, catch back. And everyone, all the Thais love the hot food. And I've got a Leo. It's beer o'clock. I'm going to go that slide there and go down the river. Happy. Right, I'm going to take the plunge. I'm going in. I'm just going down this slide. Just likes to go. Anyway, let's go. Got the life jacket on. I've only had one beer. I've only had one beer. Then Lao with Dave and Wirtz, we used to have like shitloads of beers before we used to go to swim. Anyway, let's go up. Alright, here we go. She looks pretty old. Looks pretty old. Anyway, you got to do it, don't you? Oh, Wish me luck. I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for you. Whew. Ah. Oh, there's hardly any water on it. No, mummy. There's no water. Where's water? You've got to push yourself though. Everyone's laughing. You've got to push yourself. Here we go. Look up. I'll tell you one thing. Viewers. That's real shallow. I hit the ground. Hit the ground. You go in the. No, when you fall in, you hit the ground. Very shallow. Pretty dangerous. It was really shallow. So, anyway, they had a look at a boat here. There's about 80 as you can go for 8 Ks. And it's cost about 1,200 baht. Here they come now. And it's all tights. No fallungs here. Just the way I like it. You know, you can have your Pattaya. You can have your Phuket. You've seen it all. This is my life. Oh, Malau. Oi. Meow. Oh, when I'm gonna. The current just takes you down, keeps on taking you. And with the life jacket, it's happy days. Happy days. And there's like all restaurants along the way. You know, plenty of water slides. It's just the grouse. You know, Thailand just keeps on surprising these dudes. Those big slides, and they're all in at the tyres. Look at them. That's a super fast slide, that one. And there's heaps of slides. I might go out in that one actually. We'll see how we go. But there's water castles, there's all sorts of stuff. And I might get out here because the longer I go down, the longer I have to walk back. You know what I mean? And it's beer o'clock. So let's get in the shore. Oh, that's a big one too. You wouldn't want to get in the way. They'll get right on you. Right on you. Oh, that's all happening. Like the kids in the pool. Look at the pools. You know, everyone's having a great time. You know. Thailand they don't do it in ones, do they, over here? It's one Jan as well. It's Mondays, so imagine what it's going to be like on the weekends or even on Songkran. We're going to walk back now. Anyway, it is what it is. So it's probably about a half a K walk. But anyway, it's absolutely fun. Loving it. Loving it. I hope you're enjoying it, viewers. This is the real Thailand man. This is the real McCoy. And as you walk back up the river, there's just like pools and slides and shitloads. I think it's 70 baht for the whole day to use all the slides. Pretty good value. Pretty good damn value. Always is in Thailand. Always is. Happy day. Sort up. So I'm walking back, like the fucking road's so fucking hot. There must be an easier way to get back. Anyway, I'm not complaining. Am I? I think we're here now. Big bus. Love the big buses in Thailand. You've seen these around, haven't you, viewers? Yes, fucking heaps of them. Let's look up. It's got like a flying fox. It's all happening. It's all happening here in this national park. I forget the name of it, but I'll put the description down below. You know me. I never forget. Oh, he's scared. He's cool. Hey, bay lối. Bay lối. Yeah, he's having second thoughts. We'll see how he's going to go. Bay lối. Sanok. Bay. Hey. Oh, crazy, man, crazy. And the other thing to remember, especially with the Thais, not all of them, but most of them, they can't swim. They don't learn swimming at school, not like us in Australia or the UK or the States. They don't know how to swim, so you got to be really careful. The life jackets come in handy, but you even watch them in the water, they're always bloody freaking out and scared and that kind of stuff. So they're drinking the Thai whiskey up there, you know, and that's okay, but if you can't swim and you have a fucking shitload of fucking Thai whiskey, well, that spells trouble to me. Anyway, I'm going for a beer. Second beer. Come on. Let's go. I don't mind the beer with the ice. It kind of waters it down, you know, and you don't get as pissed. Like, it's only, 1 or 2 o'clock, so just want to take it easy. Anyway, people don't like it. I don't mind it. I don't usually drink ice with the beer, but, you know, when you're in Thailand, you know. So, anyway, cheers. 80 baht for the big bottle there. 80 baht, which is pretty good. Now, that's about $3 or $4. That's what you want to pay.